Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment method to the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page, where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on Profile. And then under the Settings section, under Payments and Payouts, we find the payment methods at the top. And if you tap on that, we can add payment method here. Tap on it. And here we can select either if you want to use a PayPal account or a credit or debit card. And then after we select one, we can just enter the details and tap on Save. Same thing with the PayPal. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.